Do you want to know the fastest way to make your dog adore you? Build an unbreakable bond with your dog by becoming their favorite human. Yes, you can actually teach your dog to not only love and obey you, but also look up to you as a role model. And the best part is that this process of teaching your dog to love you is easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But before we get into that, if you want some extra help in training your dog, then check out our full Dog Training Accelerator program. We have everything from puppy training to advanced obedience and even agility. So make sure to click the link below to learn more. Hi, I'm a professional dog trainer. I've been training dogs for a living now for over 12 years. And on this channel, I share my knowledge to help you have success with your dog. Now, let's get back to the video. So many people think that dogs just naturally love them or they hate them for no reason. But the reality is that your dog's love and loyalty towards you is something that you must earn, and it's developed over time through consistent repetition. Your dog will look up to you as a role model and leader if you become the most rewarding, fun, engaging, calm, and confident person in their life. And one of the best ways to achieve this is through professional dog training. Some people are skeptical about dog training because they think it involves harsh corrections like choke chains, prong collars, shock collars, or yelling. But this isn't true at all. Professional dog training is all about clear communication, and clear communication starts with having a solid foundation. A good foundation means that you and your dog have built a deep emotional connection through bonding methods such as eye contact, affection, and play. It also means that you are now able to influence your dog's behavior by implementing high-value rewards. High-value rewards are anything that your dog really enjoys, whether that's a special treat, praise, petting, or a favorite toy. By pairing these rewards with good behavior, you teach your dog what you expect from them, and they will be more likely to repeat that behavior in the future. This is called positive reinforcement, and it is the basis of all professional dog training. Now, let's talk about tone. Dogs are incredibly sensitive to tone, body language, and facial expressions. They can pick up on our emotions long before they see any action. For example, if you come home after a long day at work and you're feeling stressed, your dog will sense that and they may start to feel anxious as well. On the other hand, if you come home and you're relaxed and happy, your dog will mirror those emotions and feel calm and secure. That's why it's important to have a calm and confident tone when giving commands to your dog. When you're calm and confident, your dog feels safe and secure and will be more likely to listen to you. They will also respond better to positive reinforcement rather than punishment. The same goes for facial expressions and body language. If you approach your dog with a big smile on your face and open body language, they will feel comfortable and relaxed around you. But if you approach them with a frown and closed-off body language, they will feel anxious and may try to avoid you. Timing is another critical factor in effective dog training. Dogs live in the moment. They don't worry about the past, and they don't plan for the future. That's why it's important to give them clear and concise commands and then reward them immediately when they follow through. If you wait too long to give them a reward, they may not even remember what they were doing, and you won't be able to effectively reinforce the behavior. Additionally, timing is crucial for interrupting unwanted behavior. If you see your dog doing something they shouldn't, be there to stop them right away. Don't wait for them to finish because then they may get too far into the bad behavior and be less likely to change course. Consistency is also extremely important when training your dog. They need to know what to expect from you and what the consequences will be if they don't follow your rules. Consistency in tone, timing, body language, and expectations will help your dog feel safe and secure. Lastly, let's talk about how to use these tools to build a deep emotional connection with your dog. By showing affection, praise, play, and petting your dog regularly, you'll create a bond that will last a lifetime. Eye contact is also very important in building a connection with your dog. When you look into their eyes, you're telling them that you're paying attention to them and that you care about them. You'll also be able to read their body language and facial expressions, which will help you understand how they're feeling. And of course, don't forget to use positive reinforcement. Reward your dog for good behavior, and they'll be more likely to repeat that behavior in the future. Positive reinforcement is the key to unlocking your dog's full potential and helping them become the best dog they can be. Remember, earning your dog's trust and love takes time and consistency, but the results will be worth it. By being patient, positive, and persistent, you can build a bond with your dog that will last a lifetime. If you'd like more detailed tips on how to train your dog, please check out our website. In conclusion, professional dog training is essential for building a strong bond with your dog and creating a loving and obedient relationship. It involves clear communication, emotional connection, positive reinforcement, and consistency. By understanding and implementing these concepts, you can earn your dog's trust, respect, and affection, making them adore you as their favorite human. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to training your dog? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more dog training tips. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. And as always, remember that you can teach your dog to love you. All you need is patience, consistency, and a positive attitude. Have a great day.